Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by forcing VS Code to stop so no files are locked. This prevents partial deletes. First, quit the app and kill any leftover processes in Activity Monitor or run kill-all electron in Terminal. Once done, remove /applications/Visual Studio Code. App by moving it to trash and emptying trash. That clears the main binary. Finally, make sure to remove the command line symlink. For example, delete /usr/local/bin/code, because it points to the app you just removed. Now remove all user data and extensions so no configuration persists. In Terminal, run rm/ref/library/application/support/code to clear the app folder, and rm/ref/. vscode to remove extensions and workspace storage. Then delete caches and preferences with rm/ref/library/caches/com. Microsoft VS Code and rmf/library/preferences/com. Microsoft VS Code. Plist because leftover prefs can recreate settings. Finish by scanning common system locations for stray files and removing them. Check /library/application support, ~/library/containers, and any COM. Microsoft group containers and delete matches. Once done, reboot the Mac to clear caches and verify that which code returns nothing and no VS Code processes restart. If you want absolute certainty, run a final grep for Visual Studio Code in ~/library. Troubleshooting tip. If a file is protected, rerun the specific rm/ref with
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.